In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and there hit at your DMs icon to open up your DMs. Now, open up some conversation, and as you see, this guy sent me hello message, and now in order to reply to that message, all I have to do is to hold down on that message, and here it comes up some different options, and now I just hit on reply, and now I can reply to that message. I can write there my message and then hit on send, and now as you see I replied to a message. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.